Hello, my name is Elaf, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on the Caspa AI platform and show you how to turn this product photo of a brown vest top into 3 different lifestyle photos with different AI models for you to use for A/B testing and marketing. It's so easy to hyper-personalize content these days with AI, so you can create one of the same photo pretty much with different models or different backgrounds, just so you could test to see which one performs better. It's also a good way to reach your current audience or target new audiences, because as you know, the shelf life of a product photo kind of moves quick on the internet, so you want to have different content so that you can test out and see which performs with existing audiences or new audiences. I'm going to be making more videos showing you how to use the platform and how to get the most of it. If there's anything specific you have in mind and you have questions about, let me know and I'll try and answer it, whether it's in the form of video or just getting back to you in the comments. So now let's get straight into it. I'm going to share my screen and show you how it works.
Here I'm on the background remover tab. If I upload a photo, for example this sofa, which is on a white background, it will remove the background and store it on the right next to our other assets. If I click on one of my other assets, for example, you can see a few different ones, let's say this brown vest top, I can then click on the Generate Product Photos button, and it will send it to the third tab, which is called the AI Product Photos and Editing tab. Here I can write my prompts. First, I'll write what the product is. In this case, it's a brown vest top. Then where I want to see it placed. For example, here I want it on a 30-year-old woman, brunette curly hair, beige skirt, standing in a modern kitchen. If I scroll down on the right, I can see my image history, which are the product photos I've created in the past. As you can see, they don't all need to be human models. You can generate AI backgrounds and objects as well. If we go back to the image component on the left, I want to paint over the back part of the top so it doesn't show up in the photo. So I'm going to do that using this brush. And once I'm happy with it, I'll click the green Generate button. It takes a few seconds to load, then 4 images are created with my product. I'll flick through it to the one I like, and if there's something I want to edit, I'll just click this green Edit button on the left, and the image will appear back on the component on the left, and I'll paint over anything I want to edit. In this case, the sleeves, which are slightly distorted, and then I'll click Generate again. 4 more images are generated, and I'll save the one I'm happy with. In the future, you'll be able to one-click upload to your online store, but right now you just download it to your computer. I'm happy with this photo, but want to generate some more for A/B testing and marketing. So if I go to the product photo in the background remover tab and send it to the generator tab again, I'm going to do the same thing, but with a different model. The product is still the brown vest top, and this time I want to see it on a 30-year-old black woman with afro curly hair, beige skirt, smiling, standing in a modern kitchen. Then I'll paint over the back of the vest again and click Generate. We're working on removing the manual back and forth here, but for now you can see it's the same description, except the model is black. 4 more images are created. I'm flicking through them. I like this one, but want to edit it, so we'll click the Edit button and paint over the sides of the vest top, which are a little distorted, and then I'll click Generate again. This image turned out really well, so I'm going to save it and create one more variant. Repeating the same steps as before, go back to the background remover, send the brown vest to the Generator tab, type in the prompt, this time the same prompt except with a Chinese model. Paint over the back of the top with the paintbrush and then click Generate. 4 images are created, flick through the photos to edit anything if needed. In this case, I like this photo on the first take, so I'll save it. And there you go, we have 3 photos for A/B testing and marketing for a product, and this is what they look like next to each other.
So that's the tutorial. Of course, you can continue touching up and playing around with more photos or creating different versions with the different models or whatever it is. I hope this video just gives you an understanding of how the platform works so that you can keep playing around with it and testing things for yourself with your own products. Let me know if you have any other questions, and thanks for watching. Until next time, I'll see you later.